Uh, we thank you very much for coming here to speaking to us and letting us understand what your troubles are and how we can help you. I want to say that we as a commission, having ensured that amnesty has been granted to many, will now try and make sure that processes are put into place to ensure that there is transformation, to ensure that there is reconciliation. We want to create a situation where there will no longer be need for violence in this university. We want to create a situation where all students will be taken seriously. We want to create a situation in which the university will develop carefully and seriously a new culture in which there will be a new recognition. There will no longer be assimilation of black students into the white culture, but we've got to develop and start the process of developing a culture at this university which recognizes the cultures of all, a dynamic culture, a culture of nonviolence which will continue, and a culture of learning which is not dependent only on excellence, but a culture of learning which is aimed at improving the human condition and improving the conditions of the people in our lives. So on that basis, could you please make all the submissions we can? We are going to be different from any of the previous commissioners because I don't recall in my history a commission having been appointed to make recommendations about truth and reconciliation. Our sense is that there is a certain seriousness in the university, there is a certain seriousness in management, in many parts of management, to take the recommendations we make seriously and to implement them. But it will take a long time. There is racism in the whole of our society. In this university is somehow reflective of that racism too. But it is true that a university which was created for white students on a white culture has to do more than just assimilate the black people who come there and make sure that the black people become like the white students who are around. That cannot be the object. Then we will never have satisfied black students. We will never have a university representative of this country. So the problems are both short-term and long-term. We don't know about compensation. We cannot answer that question directly. We will have to see about that. But the problems are difficult. They are long-term. And at the very least, we hope to be able to recommend processes which, if they are genuinely and properly followed, will lead to a better university, a more inclusive university, not a university in which the black students and lecturers are assimilated, but a university which has a culture that is accepting of every person that comes to this university, whatever the race, whatever the religion. That is all I have to say. Thank you very much.